Dang, you guys just made it over the 100 sub mark. That is absolutely fire. Pretty good for only a couple weeks of pushing. Just for that, I'm going to do a special thank you by saying thank you 100 times. Thank you, 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 thank you.
2 hours later.
Thank you, 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 thank you. Okay, all right, that's enough. I'm pretty sure that's 100. All right, let's get into the trade recap. Boom. All right, you guys, we are back again. Just wanted to seriously say thank you again for the 100 subs. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but for me, I was like super excited to see that. That's just like, I don't know. I just was literally like, yes, like, let's go. Super pumped. So thank you guys. I appreciate that. Definitely like just gives me more motivation to keep making videos and stuff. But yeah, quick trade recap for the day. 1-for-1, green on the day again. As you can see by price action today, this was kind of like a nightmare. Today, in my opinion, required a lot of patience and was pretty challenging if you don't really know what you're doing. Even I was like super hesitant a lot today. Lots of really decent setups that I was like, oh, this is going to work, this is going to work. And I didn't take it. And whenever the market is just doing this, like really indecisive for me, like look at this is at least more, this is just ridiculous. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So it's just a little hard to get decent plays out of. I mean, not really. There was definitely a few easy plays that I could have taken, but I didn't. Like this one, actually, when it formed, I literally said out loud, "This is going to be the best play of the day," because there was an SMT with ES sweeping like a higher time frame SMT that NQ had already swept here. So basically, NQ swept a low here. We pumped. ES didn't sweep the low. And I was literally like, ES is going to come back to break this SMT, and then I bet we get the best setup of the day. And yeah, it was pretty good. The risk to reward on this is pretty solid. You could just do full TP there. But anyway, that's not the trade I took. That's the trade I wish I took. I'll go back and show you the trade I did take. Basically, we had this 5-minute gap that just was like rejecting all day, and so like the thing is that we kept rejecting, but I actually really really like these as targets. So the issue is we have a high inside of a fair value gap that took out another high. So these highs are now protected until we sweep some sort of relevant sell side liquidity. So I'm just kind of watching us chop, 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 chop. We keep coming down and acting like we're going to sweep these lows here. See, like we have this trend line liquidity here. We keep coming down, acting like we're going to dump through these lows, but then we don't. And it's just like, it's so frustrating because the type of trading that I like to do is off of a liquidity sweep. So I keep thinking these lows are going to get ran, but I'm also eyeballing these highs. So it's a little confusing. I'm not going to lie. But yeah, then we got this play here. I didn't like it a lot, but I liked it enough to give it a try. Delivering out of here. Swept this low here. Not a super big stop loss, 15 or so points. And honestly, I low-key regret getting out of this as early as I did, but today was just grimy and I was really not trying to mess with it. So I genuinely just took like my 10 points and called it a day. Like I seriously did not want to mess with the market today. I just wanted to get in and out and be done. So there's that. Nice and easy. And then as you can see, so I will say this in hindsight, getting out right here, I was thinking, okay, I should probably just take profit at this OB here. But the problem with that is at the same time as me taking profits, we also inversed this gap. So in hindsight, I really should have held to here probably. But like then you can see shortly after we just kind of like snaked up and down and came back down, and that's just not price action that I want to be a part of. So oh well, green on the day, quick 10 points, not a big deal. And yeah, just wanted to do a quick trade recap real quick. And I guess here's the executions if anybody like really needs to like see that. I will always be transparent on here, you guys. Like, if I take a loss, I'm gonna tell you guys, yeah, I took a loss today. If I take a win, obviously I'm gonna tell you guys I take a win today. Like, you can see this is just one firm that I use, and yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So yeah, but just wanted to make a quick trade recap video and say thanks for 100 subs. Good looking out. I'm gonna be dropping episode 1 of the trading self series probably today. So look out for that, and thanks. See you guys next time. Peace.